times move on and there are new ways of doing it. And that's very much what we will be sharing with you when we get various speakers that come throughout the year that will be helping us with their aspects of what they're doing in property. And I know there'll be something for everybody at every single meeting. So do make a note in your diary to come and join us. The first Wednesday of every month, 12 noon UK time is where we are. We deliberately do it on a lunchtime in the UK because we're the global PIN meeting. That means that whatever time zone you are, then that means that we'll be able to accommodate you, being 12 noon UK time. Of course, we're currently on GMT, just so everyone is aware. And it'd be lovely to find out where you are from. So let me know in the chat box, where are you based? And it'll just be useful to get a little stock take as to where it is. You won't see that, I will see it, but it'll be nice to know where people are based. Just put it in the chat box so that we can then see where people are coming in from, which is quite lovely. Welcome along, Suzanne. I know that you're new here, based in High Wycombe.